Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today's class, it's all about finding the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now to find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon, we can just simply use this formula. The measure of one exterior angle equals 360 degrees divided by n. Now n class represents for the number of sides. Once again, class, we can only use this formula if the polygon is a regular polygon. Now, sir, what do you mean by regular polygon? A regular polygon, it has equal sides, and all interior angles must be congruent, as well as all exterior angles must be congruent. So, let's solve for this one, class, finding one exterior angle of this regular polygon. So, we're told to find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon with each number of sides. Letter A, 6 sides. Letter B, 7 sides. Letter C, 8 sides. And letter D, 9 sides. So what do you call, class, a polygon with 6 sides? Do you still remember, class, a polygon with 6 sides? That's correct. That would be a hexagon. Now, since this is a regular polygon, therefore, this will be a regular hexagon. So a regular hexagon, it has 6 equal sides. And all interior angles must be congruent. 6 interior angles must be congruent. And 6 exterior angles must be congruent. So, simply use this formula. So, the measure of each exterior angle equals 360 degrees over n. Now, once again, n represents for the number of sides. Divide by 6. So, our n is 6. We have 6 sides. So, you can use your calculator or you can use your cell phone for this one. My calculator test is not turning on. So, we will be using our cell phone. So, let's use our cell phone. 360 degrees divide by 6, so we will have 60 degrees. So therefore, class, each exterior angle of a regular hexagon, that would be 60 degrees. So letter A, that is 60 degrees. Alright, we're done with letter A. So let's try letter B. So what do you call, class, a polygon with 7 sides? That's correct, that would be heptagon. So this is a regular polygon, this will be regular heptagon. So each exterior angle must be congruent. So simply use this formula, 360 degrees divide our n, the number of sides, that is 7. So 360 divide by 7. So let's use our cell phone. So 360 divide by 7. So you will have 51.428. So 428. So let's round up our answer, class, to the nearest hundreds. Let's have 2 decimal places. So we have 51.428. So after 2, that is 8. So we need to round up. So this will be 51.43. Once again, class, after 2, that is 8. So this we need to round up. This will be 51.43. So approximately our answer will be 51.43 degrees. For the exterior angle of a regular heptagon. So once again, class, we need to round up because after 2, that is 8. So this will be 51.43. Alright, so let's have letter C, 8 sides. What do you call, class, a polygon with 8 sides? That's correct, that would be octagon, and we have regular octagon. So 8 equal sides, 8 interior angles must be congruent, and 8 exterior angles must be congruent. So use this formula, 360 degrees divide by our n is 8. So once again, use your calculator or you can use your cell phone. So 360 divide by 8. So you will have 45 degrees. Alright, so letter C. Each exterior angle, that is 45 degrees. Alright, and then letter D, we have 9 sides. So substitute the value of n, that is 9. So this will be 360 degrees divided by 9. So 360 degrees divided by 9. Once again, you can use your calculator. I think that's 40. So 360 divided by 9, that would be 40 degrees. So therefore, each exterior angle of a regular polygon with 9 sides, what do you call a polygon, class, with 9 sides? That's correct, that would be nonagon. Now, since this is regular polygon, this will be regular nonagon. Alright, so regular nonagon, it has 9 equal sides. And 9 interior angles must be congruent, as well as 9 exterior angles must be congruent. So therefore, each exterior angle of a regular nonagon, so a polygon with 9 sides, regular nonagon, that would be 40 degrees. That's it, that's all set for this one, in finding the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. So you try this one, class, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Letter E, what if this is 10 sides? Okay, 10 sides. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon with 10 sides. And you put your answer in the comment section down below. So I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.